Most people don't struggle with woodworking because they lack skill. They struggle because they follow the wrong plans. And the worst part is they don't even realize it. They spend hours searching online, jumping from one video to another, downloading random PDFs, reading blog posts that look helpful at first, and then they start building. That's when the problems begin. The instructions are unclear. Measurements are missing. Steps are out of order. And suddenly, something that looked simple becomes frustrating. A cut goes wrong. A piece doesn't fit. The structure feels weak. And instead of thinking the plan is the problem, most people think they are the problem. That belief is what slows everything down. Because once you start thinking you are the issue, your confidence drops. You hesitate more. You overthink every step. And that hesitation leads to more mistakes. Not because you don't have the ability, but because you're working without clear direction. This is what bad woodworking plans do. They create confusion, and confusion kills progress. The internet is full of woodworking content, but not all content is created to help you build. A lot of it is created to get views, not results. That means you often see the highlight, not the process. You see the finished piece, but not every step required to get there. That gap is where most beginners get lost. Think about it like trying to assemble something with half the instructions missing. You might be able to figure parts of it out, but you will waste time. You will make mistakes. And even if you finish, the result will not feel solid. Woodworking plans work the same way. When they are incomplete, they force you to guess. And every guess increases the chance of error. This is why understanding what makes a high-quality plan is so important. A good plan is simple to follow. It tells you exactly what materials you need before you even start. It gives you clear measurements that are easy to read. It shows you how each piece connects to the next. And most importantly, it gives you a logical order to follow. Order matters more than most people think. If you cut pieces in the wrong sequence, you can ruin alignment. If you assemble parts too early, you can block access to areas you still need to work on. Small mistakes like these come from poor planning, not lack of skill. A high-quality plan removes those problems before they even happen. It acts like a guide, not just telling you what to do, but helping you avoid what not to do. That is a big difference. Another important detail is how the information is presented. Complicated language creates confusion. Simple language creates action. The best plans use clear words, simple diagrams, and a step-by-step structure that anyone can follow. When you look at a good plan, you should feel clarity, not overwhelm. Now, let's talk about the hidden cost of using bad plans, because this is something most people ignore. Time is the first cost. Every time you stop to figure something out, you lose momentum. And momentum is what keeps you going. Without it, projects drag on. What should take a few hours turns into days. The second cost is materials. What is not free? Every wrong cut means wasted money. Every mistake means you either try to fix it or start over. Over time, those small losses add up. The third cost is motivation. This one is the most dangerous. When you keep running into problems, you start to feel like progress is slow or impossible. That feeling builds frustration. And frustration leads to quitting. Not because you can't do it, but because the process feels harder than it should be. That is why finding the right place to get your plans matters so much. Most beginners start in the same places. They go to YouTube, search for a project, and follow along. The problem is that videos often skip details. They're designed to be watched, not followed step by step. Then they go to random blogs. Some are helpful, but many are inconsistent. One plan might be clear, the next one confusing. There is no standard. Forums are another place people look. You can find useful advice, but it is scattered. You have to piece everything together yourself. And again, that leads to guessing. All of this creates a pattern, jumping from one source to another, trying to find something that works. There is a smarter way to approach this. Instead of looking for random plans, look for structured collections. Plans that are organized, tested, and designed to work together. This removes the need to search endlessly. It gives you a clear path from simple projects to more advanced ones. When everything is in one place, progress becomes easier. You are not wasting time deciding what to build next. You are not second-guessing instructions. You are simply following a system. And systems create consistency. Consistency is what builds skill. Not doing one perfect project, but completing multiple projects with clear STE.